We have come to the end of our third day of our online facilitation. Special thanks to the facilitators and all of you who have been watching and following this training online. I have a few questions to attend to before we close for today. One is an issue of balancing papers. Previously, we have had cases or the assessment has been in such a way that when a person scores an F9 in one of the papers and a D1 in the other paper, they automatically get an O. This assessment is different in such a way that we are emphasizing what the learner can do, because the emphasis is on acquisition of competencies. And that's why there is a provision for a descriptor on the extreme right. And that descriptor tells me what you can actually do. So, with competence-based assessment, emphasis is not on balancing papers. Emphasis is on what you can do. However, if you're to be an all-round student, you then need to be good in all the papers, because all papers are specifically addressing competencies that make up that paper. So if the constructs that make up that paper are attended to comprehensively, then you will have a balanced score across all the papers. But when in actual sense the basis is on the construct. So that's why we have that descriptor at the end to emphasize what the learner can do, and that is a point of emphasis, not necessarily that you failed this, therefore your score will be this. No.